Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Saral Trader. Today we are going to have a quick review of end of the day activity and look at the charts of how things have shaped up in this last 2 days. This is the chart of S&P 500, and as we discussed in the weekly review that we have almost had a vertical rally of 7-8%, and now we might rest for a while and consolidate. So if you see, for last 2 days, we were in a there was profit taking and market was struggling to go up, and we traded below the previous day low yesterday on Monday, and we came to the pivot one, and we were finding some support there. Today also, it came down and touched the pivot one, which it was waiting for, and that's where the bulls pitched in, and also the short covering started, and then we saw a big move here. We closed pretty much close on the upper end of the day, which is a bullish candle, and this might be beginning of a new up move here, in my opinion. Now let's see this on the shorter time frame. This is 1 hour. On 1 hour, this was somewhere where we closed on Friday, uh, and then there was a down move. We came close to pivot one yesterday, it took support, went up, ended the day with a buy. But then the selling came in right at the intraday high here, and we again got a sell signal. And then the market came to pivot one. A lot of buying happened. We moved up, came down. Those who follow the live stream that we have on this channel, I have given them the re-entry signal. So this signal, when it came, the buy signal was an extended one. Now you could have waited, and people who know how to use Saral system, they could have entered at the retest of the level, which was here at 4125, and then we made a high of around 60 points at 4187 and went up. So now we are in a bull run, and if you look at the Saral 2 system, Saral 1 system on the 2 hour time frame, um, on Friday we ended with a sell signal, and then we got a good follow through of around 30-35 points in an uptrend in the down, and then we again got another sell signal and we got a very good follow through. This signal came at around 4135 and we made a low of 4103. So typically, even in a up move, Saral system typically gives you good short signals as well in an uptrend. And of course, in an uptrend, when you are above pivot level, you should only take long signals. So typically, what I'm trying to tell you is that the Saral system, if you are following it, will ensure that you end up with reasonable profits if you follow it religiously. So this is S&P 500. I traded this signal on 1 hour signal on a retest. So I had a long position which I booked at 4160 somewhere. It was a micro futures. Then I saw that there was very sharp down correction, and when it was around this candle somewhere here, 413541, I re-entered because those who have seen the video of how to use Saral system know that you can re-enter a trade after a signal has come, and I took 4170 calls which I got for 16 for Friday expiry, and then those calls doubled, so I sold half and I'm still carrying half. So a good profitable trade. Guys, what I've realized, is that in trading, you don't have to be in a hurry to take a trade. You can wait, get the right signal, get the right setup that you want, trade it. If it works, that's great. If it doesn't work, it's fine. Wait for the next signal. Once you have back tested your strategy, once you know this system works, you should not take things personally. You should not take things emotionally. Just detach yourself from the outcome because you don't control the outcome. The only thing you control is your entry and your exit. And system gives you that. So don't get emotional, personal about it. Markets are not going anywhere. Markets will give you ample opportunities to trade. Now, quickly, we will look at some of the trades that we opened up. We opened a trade in natural gas. So natural gas is in a very big downtrend. This trend somewhere started here. We traded this downtrend and this uptrend also. Now, seems like that market might be turning. We got a signal yesterday on a 2-hour chart, and it was looking like a signal which may not work, but it has worked. This is Saral 2 system. Yeah. So we got a signal on a 2-hour chart on Saral 2, and we got a good follow through also. And this is taking resistance at pivot 1. Now, pivot 1 in an uptrend will become a support, and pivot 1 on a downtrend will become the first resistance. So we are getting the first resistance here. Let's see. The momentum is sharp. It's a very big downfall. So there will be some, and there is positive news in the markets. Let's see what comes out. It is a good buy, and then we entered a short signal on the gold charts. Now, gold was in a massive bull move. I had a short position which I booked a stop loss here. After that, it went up, went up, went up, and now it has given a signal here. I entered this trade through options in GLD. I'm still carrying my micro future shorts. And after this sharp fall, generally there is a retracement. Ideally, it should come somewhere between 19 and 1904, 1905. I think that level has been touched. Maybe 4 5 points more it can go up. And in and if this downtrend is real, we may see a touch of the pivot 2 and then a fall. So I am short until unless we see markets stabilizing, gold stabilizing about pivot 1 or pivot 2, we will hold this short for a while. If you look at the large cap stocks like Tesla, high momentum stocks, very sharp up move. We got a signal 122 to 192, massive rally, almost 56, 70% rally we have already got, and not even a single touch of even pivot 1. Just look at that. So this is the high momentum trading signals. I booked my profits here. I don't have an entry now, and I probably want. Let's see. I mean, no regrets, guys. Amazon, maybe this is a signal where we may re-enter. I will re-enter a position tomorrow, and I will trade it. My first target will be 114, and let's see how it goes. We are into a trade for Intel. Intel is still consolidating in the rectangle, and this is going to take time. But once we break out of this and stabilize above upper range of the rectangle, we might see a sharp rally, or another 10-15% rally coming in very soon. This is where a lot of people will enter, a lot of people will exit. It's not going to be easy money. I mean, it's going to be easy money, but it will take time to consolidate. Um, let's look at Google. So Google, guys, again, a rally, a breakout, a test of pivot one, then a sharp rally up, again test of pivot one, and now it's moving up. This is a trend-setting candle. Now, ideally, this will become your stop loss, and if you want to enter a trade, you can enter now and see another leg, which will be till 100 and it will probably be 112 to 116 kind of first targets you can take. Wait for a re-entry on this one. Uh, some of our open calls, Neo is frustrating in the sense that it has completely gone sideways for last 2 3 months, not doing anything. It is at support of the trend line that is coming up. So if we close below this 3 4%, this move will completely fizzle out, and we will have to wait and see what we do next. Um, yeah. So there was one more trade, yeah, Baba, which is the large cap. So Baba, I initiated a trade, a short trade. I have not given it to subscribers. I will give it. I'm waiting for a confirmation. Confirmation we have got, and now basically this confirmation is also confirmed in the sense that this confirmation signal has consolidated itself, and it has not been able to close above the high. So this is a high probability setup now, and I will send this to my subscribers tomorrow. You can take a free trial of Saral Traders. and subscribe to this channel and join our live feed every day. Markets are live, S&P 500. We have four setups live. You can watch a video on how to use Saral system and Saral live feeds. Guys, our motto here in Saral Trader is to simplify trading and to genuinely suggest high probability setups to our followers. So please join. Look forward to see you guys. Do subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you.